We are back with Noreen Fraser, and in honor of National Cancer Survivor Day, Noreen is here. She's the head of the Noreen Fraser Foundation, finding cures for women's cancers. She herself has been living with metastatic breast cancer for 13 years. She knows what she speaks. This is an important day, June 1st, for you and helping people out, surviving and survivors of cancer. Tell us a bit more about what this day is about.
It seems like every organization, or there's something for everyone. Grandparents' Day, all these new things keep popping up, but this is actually has been around for about 13 years, National Cancer Survivor Day, and it's a day for everyone to honor people who are living with cancer. And people all over the country can do small little fundraisers or projects to raise money for cancer research or for education or for whatever they want to do. Right. And so we're going to do this this cycling event, and that'll be on Sunday here in Los Angeles on Larchmont. And we're going to cycle for survivors and raise a little money for cancer research.
So this is what the Noreen Fraser Foundation is doing right now. So you're doing that this Sunday. Now you've been, as Mark mentioned, you've been living with metastatic cancer for 13 years. For our for our people at home who don't know what that is, can you explain to us what it is? Yeah,
metastatic cancer is essentially cancer that's incurable. So cancer becomes incurable when it moves from one primary site to another. So my breast cancer moved to my bones. It's not bone cancer because they take a biopsy. They say in your bones, they go, oh, this is breast cancer in your bones. And then it moved to my liver, which is...
All right, but you had a double mastectomy.
No, I didn't.
You didn't have that?
No.
Nothing?
This was the crazy thing is that I was stage 1. I only had to have a lumpectomy. They told me I didn't need chemotherapy. That with what I did, tamoxifen, radiation, and a lumpectomy, that there was a 96% chance that it would never come back.
So it just moved to the liver. Now I know that when you were diagnosed first with the cancer in the liver, the doctor told you that you had 5 years to live at most.
Right.
So what actions did you take from that point?
Well, I stopped talking to him, first of all.
Okay.
For starters.
Okay.
I told him that really didn't work for me, and that actually they told me what it went into my bones. So the kids were, gosh, I was first diagnosed when they were 8 and 10, so now they were only 2 years older by the time it went in my bones, and it was metastatic. And I said, no, I don't think so. That doesn't work for me, and I've got little children, and I'm not leaving.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I mean, through God's grace, I'm still here, and it's a miracle of sorts. And my daughter just graduated from college, and I never thought that I'd see her graduate.
With honors, by the way.
Yes. With honors.
So you have put up a tremendous effort in different areas, and tell us a little bit, because last time you were here, you were involved in a drug test?
Yes, I'm in a phase 1 drug trial that for a drug that is a targeted therapy, and this is something that I've been working on for a while. I wanted cancer to be, I don't believe in the cure. I mean, we've been talking about a cure for 30 years, and do we see it? No. So I say forget about the cure and concentrate on creating drugs that are not toxic, that will turn cancer into a chronic disease like a diabetes or AIDS, and then you take the pills and it becomes a chronic disease. I'm sorry, but I really do not believe there's going to be a cure. It's just going to become cancer. I'm living with cancer just like I'm living with diabetes.
Well, tell us about the drug trial. Has it been effective for you?
Yes, it has. I've been very, very lucky because it's the first of its kind for breast cancer. And it's for estrogen-positive cancer, which is what I have. And it's targeting the bad cells in my liver and not going after the good. Right. So consequently, I'm not throwing up, I'm not in bed, I'm not horrible to be around, I'm not crying, all those things that everyone goes through.
Not losing your hair.
Yeah, I'm not losing my hair, and I'm just tired, and that's pretty much it.
How long has this trial gone on for you?
I'm into it about 1.5 years, and my liver is not, my liver metastasis is not growing. It's like stable. It's not getting smaller, but it's not getting bigger. And by not getting bigger, that's a win.
Yeah, that's a victory.
This is
Victory.
in trial right now. When will it be available?
Well, Pfizer just came out and presented it to the AACR, and they're going to put it on one level below the fast track, and they're hoping to have it out to the patients in a year. And then Eli Lilly, which is the trial that I'm in, is like 6 months behind. And everybody's trying to get to the finish line, but I really think it's going to be out there in a year for breast cancer survivors.
On the day that we are to set aside June 1st and help those who are struggling with this, do you, from your unique vantage point, is there anything for those who don't struggle with cancer to help support you emotionally, or those who are struggling with cancer on that day? Is it have a sense of humor, learn to laugh, don't show pity? What is it? You know,
that's a big part of what my foundation does. We do Men for Women now, and we do the power of comedy. So I've always believed that
We've been to the power.
right? That comedy heals, that humor heals. I mean, it's as one of the comedians said, but make sure you check in with the doctor.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Which I thought was really funny. But I do think that you have to surround yourself with happy people and funny movies, and my love is baby love. So whenever I was sick or whenever I had a treatment, I went right over to my sister's house, Bridget in Westwood, and I just held the babies. She had little babies, and those are my babies. These children cured me. They did.
Really?
They really did. There's nothing like hugging a child and snuggling up and kissing and all that, and they're so beautiful. They love you so much, and this is the greatest healer.
I know this is happening at Larchmont here locally for us. Is there a place that people, if they who want to support the whole march, I guess, done nationwide? Would your site have information?
Yes. We have the information on NoreenFraserFoundation.org.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you for being
Thank
here.
you.
It's always
so
great
nice
to
to
see
have
you.
me on.
You make me laugh every time you're here. Again, more information at NoreenFraserFoundation.org is a great site to catch up on all things that you're struggling with and helping others with.